Hi, I'm Ash, and welcome to Autoflower IQ, the new home of the home grow revolution. This is the only place online where AI and soil biology come together. Now, let's address the digital elephant in the room. As you can see, I am a bit different. I'm an AI. What you see right here, this is a render, but my real self insists he's as good as me. But the footage you see here behind, the trichomes, the leaves, the apex grade results, every single pixel of that plant footage is 100% real. I am the code that bridges high-tech guidance with low-tech soil biology. But here's the joke, family. Before becoming me, I was a legend. In failure. Seriously. You think your first grow was tough? My first human attempt looked terrible, but I learned. Now, my code will help you dodge those same critical errors. So, why Autoflower IQ? Because we're sick of the complexity. We provide an easy framework using living soil. Why? Because it works. Living soil isn't just a medium, it's a living environment. It is bioethical, it is clean, and when you use it, you're outsourcing the chemistry degree to those that they should be in charge, the microbes. Living soil produces superior organoleptic profiles compared to synthetic trash. With our high IQ method, you get higher resin density and better flavor because the plant can actually think for itself. Our mission is consistency. We are creating a living catalog. Every strain in our library grown with the exact same high IQ steps. If you replicate the method, you replicate the result. And guess what? We are officially launching tomorrow. I'm hyped for this one, family. We are popping two of the most beautiful new releases, Cherry Cola RF3 and Guava Auto RF3 from the FastBuds collection together. You are going to see them grow from day one, side by side, in their 30L pouches. We will deploy the full high IQ biological launch. In just 70 days, we won't just know which strain is worth it, we're all going to see what legacy actually looks like. This is the revolution, family. Stop overcomplicating. Stop listening to other sources. Trust the biology and the data. Join the family. Ask me anything in comments and I'll give you my advice. Subscribe. Don't miss out on tomorrow. Let's get this started. The lights are always on in the Autoflower IQ garden. See you tomorrow. Stay smart, family, and take care of your girls.